Hello everyone, welcome back to my new video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to talk about 10 most important phrases, and those are going to help you to improve your English language, and those are going to help you to diversify your speech in English. So, or guys, I will explain each phrase. I will explain each phrasal verb in very simple language, and you will be able to understand them. You will be able to use them in your speech. Okay, guys. And without any further delay, let's begin. So, guys, first is follow your heart. Follow your heart means follow your inner voice. For example, someone asks me to, hey, I'm confused. What I need to do? Then I will say, hey guys, don't be confused. Just follow your heart. Follow your heart means just follow your inner voice. Listen what your inner voice says. Listen what your inner voice says to you and do what you like to do. Follow your heart. Follow your heart. Start to learn English language. Let's talk about the next. Next is get out of hand. Get out of hand means get out of control. For example, this world is getting out of hand. That means this world is getting out of control. Okay. And next one is, third one is feel like a new person. Feel like a new person means feel a new energy, feel a fresh energy. For example, someone says, oh, after that vacation I just feel like a new person. After that trip, after that traveling, I'm feeling like a new person. Okay, that means I'm feeling fresh, a new person. I'm feeling like a new person. Next is hang in there. Hang in there. Hang in there means just stay there. Someone just says, for example, you're waiting for your friend and your friend is not coming, and you're waiting, and you're just calling, hey, I don't want to stay here, I want to go. And your friend just say, hey, please hang in there, I'm just coming. That means please stay there, I'm coming, please, like this. So hang in there means stay there. Next is act your age. Act your age means act according to your age. That means take actions according to your age. For example, I'm playing like a kid with toys, small toys like that, and someone says, hey, what are you doing like a kid? You're not a kid. Act your age. That means do something according to your age. Do not, like, this means act your age like that. Next is fair weather friend. Fair weather friend means a friend who is not reliable. Means who will be with you in your happiness, who will be with you in your good time of your life, who will not be with you in your hard time of your life, in your bad time of your life. So who is not reliable. So you can say, do not rely means do not believe on a fair weather friend. Okay, on a fair weather friend. And next is beat about bus. Beat about bus means who is not talking exact thing that we want, who is just talking about unnecessary things. For example, someone asks me, hey, what's your name? And I'm not telling my name, I'm just telling my sister name and brother name and my family member's name, but really I'm not telling my name. That means I'm beating about bus. I'm just I'm telling just unnecessary things. I'm not telling the right thing that they want from me. So that means I'm beating about bus. Next is add fuel to the fire. Add fuel to the fire. What is the meaning of this? This mean, it's not literally mean adding, there is a fire and you are adding wood, log, gasoline, and petrol, diesel in the fire, and the fire is like like, it's not mean. It's mean, let's take an example. Two guys are fighting to each other and someone just comes and just trying to increase their fighting, just trying to increase their conflict. Who is not trying to stop them, who is not trying to decrease their fighting, who is not trying to stop their fighting, who is just trying to increase their fighting. That means he is just adding fuel to the fire. He is just adding fuel to the fire. Okay. Next is a bone of contention. A bone of contention mean, what is the meaning of this? A bone of contention means a reason for a fight, a reason for a conflict. For example, property. The property of the parents is the bone of contention. A bone of contention, the bone of contention, a bone of contention between two brothers. That means the property is the conflict, is the reason for a conflict. The property is the reason for a fighting between two brothers. So we could say the property is the or we could say the property of the parents is a bone of contention between two brothers. And next is like swanning. What is mean of swanning? Swanning means like if someone is not doing something, only walking here, left, right, here, there, left, right, unnecessary, not doing something meaningful things. So someone says, hey, why are you swanning? That means why are you walking unnecessary? And there is no meaning. Why are you walking? Why are you like swanning? Swanning means it comes from a bird like swan. So why are you swanning? Do something means start to learn English as well. So guys, these are the important phrases that I've learned. So I'm just sharing my experience. That's it. Okay. And guys, I'm learning right now English, this language. I like to learn this language. I like to share my experience to you. And guys, if you're really interested about learning English language, so please do remember to subscribe my channel. I will make a lot of content in English, or that could be related and like knowledgeable things. So if you are interested about learning this, so please subscribe this channel and like, share with your friends. And guys, for learning English, there is only one thing. You have to practice and you have to be motivated. Okay, I will learn it slowly in one day, in 15 days, in 15 days, in one day, in within 30 days, in only 1 month. You can never ever be able to speak in English. You have to be patient. Okay, I will speak in English, but I have to practice it. Okay, so guys, that's it. It's all about today, and I will catch up with you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching my video up to the very end. That's all for today. Bye and take care. Be happy all the time, because this is the life. Be happy. Be happy.